Hey folks, welcome. Today's theme is inner peace. We're gonna play a very simple melody with lots of space in there so we can just take this time to just have 10 minutes for ourselves, to fill our cups, to meditate, to breathe, and to play. So, we're starting on the ding and all the way up on note 8. This is our melody. 8, 7, 6, 6, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Again, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. So my left hand is up here on note 8. Left, right, left, left. Without the ding. Left, right, left, left, left. And then we can put the ding back in. Left. And then we come all the way down here to 5. So now we've got the left hand on the ding, right hand on note 5. And then it's the exact same rhythm, the exact same idea again. But we're moving down 5, 4, 3, 3. In this case, right, left, right, right. So if we put those two parts together without the ding for now, just that melody to get it in our bodies, it's left, right, left, left, right, left, right, right. And simple. Let's try that again. Left, right, left, left, right, left, right, right. Again. If you want to put some things in between, you can. Whatever feels good for you, whatever makes you feel satisfied within this melody. Again, left, right, left, left, right, right, pause. And 3 and 4. Here we go. Left, right, left, left, right, left, right, right. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Here we go. And if you want to move that melody, you can. Keep the rhythm the same. But just move it around. And if you want to add stuff in that empty space, you also can. Play around with the time. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, 4. Put whatever you want in that space. Play your own thing. Do something else. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. you to use that space to just really calmly, peacefully add some little bits in, and don't worry about whether it sounds good or whether it's in time or whether the notes were what you expected them to be. Just have that like moment of, this is how the melody goes, now I've got 2 bars to explore. Okay, this is how the melody goes, now I do my own thing, right? And just have a gay old time with that melody. I would love to see what you find. If you are supporting on Patreon, thank you very much. Through that you can get access to the handpanuary community, share what you play, listen to others, get inspiration. And if not, just, yeah, enjoy. And I'll see you in the next one.